Vertebrate history. It's no wonder they were dubbed the prehistoric world's worst nightmare. What if this enormous marine carnivore had never become extinct? It isn't a fun scenario to imagine, but hey, we've also been toying with the idea ever since we saw fossils of dinosaurs and other beastly creatures that once roamed our planet. These gigantic animals ruled Earth millions of years ago, and we can't help but wonder what our life would have been like if we coexisted with them. Before we reveal the answer to this intriguing question, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can be the first to watch the latest videos from Brightside. Now, let's get to know the Megalodon shark. This gigantic aquatic animal lived during the Neogene period, approximately from the early Miocene epoch to the Pliocene epoch. Its scientific name is Carchariclis megalodon, which means big tooth. That's an apt moniker. But how large was the big tooth? Paleontologists believe that a megalodon's size was between 52 feet and 59 feet, and its weight could vary from 70 to 100 tons. Its length was equivalent to 3 full-grown great white sharks, almost 2 city buses, a human tower of 6 or 7 people. Whoa! You could actually fit 2 megalodons in an Olympic-sized swimming pool, which has a length of 164 feet. Don't try this at home. Well, they are extinct, so... As for the weight, it was as heavy as 14 adult elephants, a Boeing aircraft. By the way, its pectoral fins were similar to an airplane's wings. 33 adult great white sharks. Now that we've established a terrifying picture of a megalodon, and the fact that it's nothing compared to today's great white sharks, how did this monstrous marine species maintain its diet? Thanks to its huge teeth, it could devour medium to large aquatic animals. Before we tell you the typical menu of a megalodon, let's discuss the most interesting part of the shark, the tooth from which it got its name. During the Renaissance period, the megalodon's teeth were mistaken for the fossilized tips of the tongues of dragons and snakes. If you want an out-of-this-world theory, they were also thought to be moon rocks fallen from space. This was later debunked by Danish naturalist Nicholas Steno in 1667 in his book, The Head of a Shark Dissected. This astonishing discovery paved the way for another mystery. What kind of species has a 5 to 7 foot long tooth? The only remains of a megalodon to be discovered were its vertebrae and tooth. Oops, not just a single tooth. Hundreds of tooth fossils have been found all over the world. And nope, it isn't a complete vertebrae, but only parts of the spinal column. Going back to its famed teeth, which are popular among fossil collectors, they were found around the continents of Australia, Southeast Asia, Europe, and North and South America. You don't have to dive deep into the ocean to see an actual tooth. Shark Tooth Hill near Bakersfield, California is abundant in them. Yup, it's a hill with grass and land. But during the Miocene epoch, it was submerged in water, and marine biodiversity thrived in it. You can also visit the Oxford University Museum of Natural History, San Diego Natural History Museum, or Leeds City Museum, where such teeth are on display. That's much easier than digging through dirt, yet way less thrilling. How did the experts calculate the megalodon size based on its teeth alone? Ichthyologist John E. Randall used the ratios of the largest upper teeth, the jaw height, and the tooth enamel height of a white shark as a model.